So in today's video guys, we will be discussing about optimization of Google Business Profile. Yes guys, how to optimize Google Business Profile is very important, because if your profile is not properly optimized and things are not as per Google policy, the first thing, your profile can get suspended. Secondly, if it's not as per the policies, so definitely it is not showing up to right audience, right people. So the aim to create Google Business Profile is not fulfilling. Profile optimization is very important, and in today's video I'll be discussing it step by step, and I'll be showing you step by step process on my screen by opening up our Google Business Profile and showing what things you need to do for optimization. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, please do subscribe it just now, because I bring such informative videos for you which help your business growth online. And if your business is growing online, then definitely you will be having lots of calls and your sales will increase and your business will also grow. Guys, once your profile is optimized, after that you need to do working on that profile, because in earlier days when there were no competition, then you don't need to optimize your profile. But now guys, you need to optimize your profile, because without optimization you cannot succeed your competitors guys, because there are so many profiles these days, and without optimization you cannot actually get to rank on Google business listing or search listing, because of lot of other competitors. And if you work properly on your profile, then definitely you will start ranking on top results on the keywords, and then guys, you can get the right benefit from Google Business Profile, because just creating it is of no use. So here we have introduced an app, that is GBPGM app guys. It's the only app on web which has an app as well as web version guys, and this app helps you grow your Google Business Profile using its AI and automation features guys. As you all know, these days AI is actually doing lot of things which actually it's replacing lot of work done by humans, basically repetitive work. So automation and AI combination in this app will help you automate a lot of things and definitely grow your profile at a good pace guys. And if you want specialized local SEO services to rank your profile fast, then we do provide that service as well guys. But if you want to do it by yourself, then GBPGM app is the best way out. It has a web version also, as I told you, and in the web version website, that is local SEO tools and tips.com guys, we have provided local SEO tips as well guys. There are lot of tips in the format of a blog website, and lot of blogs which will be helping you to actually manage your Google Business Profile and uplift your online growth. So now I'll be taking to my computer screen and share all the steps of optimization, and we'll also discuss these steps practically too guys. So guys, as you can see on my screen, these are the 11 steps, because these are 11 steps, but it can be 10 as well, because if your business is just providing services, then it's an option till 10th only, and if you have products and services both, then all are useful for you guys. And if you are only dealing in products, then this 10th point is of no use for you. Then 11 points takes place, that is adding products guys. So we'll take up things one by one, and I'll also share the policies in between. So do watch the video carefully. Don't just think that you have got the points and you are good to go, because whatever I'll be telling about these points will be really beneficial for you, and it's important as well guys. The first point says check business title. So guys, business title should be your exact business name, no keywords, nothing to be added guys, because say if you add it, there are two drawbacks of that. Number one, it's against Google policies, so your profile will get suspended someday or other guys. Second is guys, adding these keywords is now not going to benefit in search results at all. With the new change in Google's policies, these things won't actually impact the ranking, and when it's not impacting the ranking, then why to mention such thing which can be fatal for your profile? Because once it's suspended, it's a big loss, guys. Till it keeps suspended state, it loses its ranking as well, and your business also, guys. So make sure that your business title is the exact business name. Next is check description, guys. Description should be proper. It should not be keyword stuffed like best this, best that. Don't do that, guys. Let the customer say what is best through their reviews, guys. Don't mention by yourself. In description, just mention what you genuinely provide. It provides you 750 characters option, so you can actually mention a lot of things. And if you don't know how to write a proper description, then I'll tell you a way. Through AI you can just on a single click get it generated, guys. The third thing is numbers, guys. Number you have to add, guys. If you have not added, then do add a number. One number is only visible in Google, so no need to add a secondary number. I'll add only the primary number, and if the number is not getting approved, I have created a video for that. If you have not watched that video, the video you will get the link in the text area. Do watch that video, and it will definitely help you to get your number approved, guys. Fourth point is, guys, add website if it exists. It's not mandatory, it's optional, but in this video only I'll tell you a way through which you can create a website in just few minutes. You can create a free website and a premium website without needing lot of things like domain, hosting, development charges, then maintenance charges every year for its upgradation. You don't need all these things. In free option you will not even need a domain, but in the premium option, if you want a custom domain to be added, then you can buy a domain and connect to that website, guys. Fifth is, guys, check opening and closing hours. Opening and closing hours are very essential, guys. Like, I'll tell you how, guys. If you just mention 24 hours and your business is actually not running 24 hours for sure, then Google might actually get it verified by its local guides, or it can also call you on those hours that you have mentioned when your business was actually not working, and definitely it can get your profile suspended, guys. So don't do that. Do mention the right hours of your business opening. Even after your business is closed, still the profile is visible, guys. It's not hidden at all. It's just showing a closed status. Still it's showing the number, and you will get calls even after the closing hours also, guys, because anyone searching on Google and they need your services or your products definitely will call you. So you won't miss any leads by mentioning proper opening and closing hours. But if you mention it in a right way, it will be really good for your business and your profile growth. Next is, guys, check opening date. Opening date should also be mentioned on business profile. It's part of their optimization, and it should be there, guys. It gives credibility to your business profile. Seventh is, guys, add service area. If your business is not a service based business and you have a map location and address mentioned on the business profile which is visible to the people also, then also, guys, you need to add a service area. Maybe just add your city name as service area will do. Don't add many service areas if you are not aware what to add in that, but still at least add your city name. You have to just select it, guys, because Google gives you an option. When you type your city name, it will give you an option where it will show the city, state and country. You have to select that, just that. Next is very important. The eighth point is, guys, check map location if it's not correct, because most of the times the map location is not set up correctly, so it can be actually misleading to your customers. It can be actually problematic when they actually try to use your map location and reach you and they are not able to reach you. Then it becomes a loss for you, guys. Secondly, guys, if Google gets to know this feedback from the customers, then definitely they can suspend your profile. So your profile map location should match exactly the address that you have mentioned. It should not be deviated. What you can do is you can use WhatsApp location if you are not able to understand how to get the exact location. So what you can do is you can go to the entrance of your business or your shop, your office, and from there just open WhatsApp, select the attachment part, and you get a current location. In that current location, guys, you have, when you reach around 5 to 7 meters, then just share it on your another number or via someone else number of your family and friends. Then that particular WhatsApp location will be the exact one which you can open on web and actually set up very easily, guys. So this is a way, a trick I have told you that we normally use. You can try it by yourself. You can locate on the map exactly where your building or entrance is there. So accordingly you should fix that red mark properly, guys. Next is, guys, enable proactive protection to protect profile from competitors. So guys, what happens is Google gets feedback from the visitors to your shop or an office. What Google does is, when say if you someone is visiting your shop and office, they'll just ask that particular person to share the rating, review, and the feedback about your place. So here what happens is, if that particular person is finding some lacking, like some number issue is there, if you're not picking the call or map is not set or anything like that, it will mark and suggest Google about this. And when Google gets so many suggestions, similar suggestions, then Google actually initiates an automatic update. This automatic update can be problematic for you because it might change few things which you don't want, and secondly it can also get the profile suspended. So this can be stopped, guys, but how it can be done, I'll just tell you when I'll show you on my screen. Basically it's through only our app, GBPGM app. Otherwise Google doesn't provide any option to enable or disable this. 10th is, guys, adding service and description. Adding service is not just enough. In most of the profiles I've seen, they don't even add all the services, which is very important to be added. You should add the description as well, and that also can be created by AI on a single click. I'll just show you, guys. Last thing is adding products. That too we'll be discussing. So these are the steps you need to actually check in your profile and revise them. If things are not correct, please do that, and it's really important. And you need to optimize your profile, definitely, guys. And one more tip, guys, I would like to share here is that of category. You should have a proper category in your Google business profile. If proper categories are not selected, then definitely your profile is not showing up to proper people. So you have to check that you have right categories, right primary categories, right secondary categories, and accordingly you can actually even correct them if it's not right. I'll show you just now. I'll take you to our live profile and show you how all these steps have to be done. Parallelly, guys, I will show you GBPGM app as well as on Google's own platform. I'll show you both the platforms parallelly. You can choose which one to opt for, because making these changes can be done by the free version of GBPGM app. Further, if you want premium features like the 9th point I shared with you, you can take its premium version, because it's really important to safeguard your profile from suspension. And apart from that, in the premium version you get so many features, guys, like you can create a website, you can start review scanning, you can enable auto review reply, you can get review suggestion and grow your reviews with proper reviews, keyword based reviews, not just rating, guys. So many benefits of GBPGM app. So let's start, guys. I'll just take you to my computer screen and we'll see how. So guys, as you can see on my screen, this is GBPGM app, and it can be actually enabled by just its web version, as you can see on the browser, or you can just download GBPGM app from Google Play Store, and you have to just log in with your Gmail ID which has that Google business profile. may it be a manager access or ownership access, it doesn't matter. You need to have an access of some profile, and once you sign in, after that guys, you will be able to see those profiles in that email id. You can select one and reach to this kind of page as I am in. This is my premium version, so definitely in the free version you will see some ads, but all the options will be available which are there in the free version. You can check this features option to know what things are available in free and what things are available in the premium one. And guys, this is the interface of Google that you can always open via your Gmail ID. When you log into your Gmail ID, you can see these 9 dots. You have to click on this business profile manager logo and it will open up. Else guys, other ways is you can just go to google.com/business or business.google.com and sign in with the same Gmail ID you have the profile. If you have multiple profiles, you have to select from the one you want to open up. If you have single, it will be opened in the same way as you can see on my screen. So now we'll start with step-by-step options we have discussed in profile optimization earlier. So this is from business title guys. If you want to edit things in our app, it's info section, and in Google it's edit profile guys. This is just a simple difference. Here guys, in info section you can just edit with this pencil icon. You can edit the business title. Here you can edit with the same pencil icon here guys. As I told you, you can also set up business categories. You should have a proper primary category and additional categories, which can be max 10 guys. You can just set up and you can see what actually is right for your business. Similarly, here also you can do this, and it's available in the free version, not to worry. Other is guys, check description. So guys, here you have to scroll down a bit and you will find this description. As you can see here below the website, you can click it, and guys, the best part here, you can just click and create it using AI without any efforts. So it will do the needful for you, and you have to apply, and it will be updated on Google, because this app is just actually communicating directly to Google, and whatever it's showing, it's fetching directly from Google. Nothing is stored related to your profile except your Gmail ID, just for reference. Here guys, if you have to edit description, it's here below these categories, and you can just write it on your own. You can mention opening date, as I told you. Here also opening date is below description guys. You can edit your phone number, as I told you here, and same phone number you can edit it here as well guys. You can add your website. Here also you can add your website with this pencil icon guys. Now you can actually set up your location map. As I told you, click this symbol, and if you have added your address all in one line, just segregate it guys. Divide that address part where you actually delimit it with a comma in a single line. Don't need to add a comma, because comma will be added by Google automatically. And you can, in the last line, you can add these lines. It's any number of lines you can add, and in the last line you can add the landmark as well. Now the main thing is guys, you have to edit the map location here by clicking on adjust. Once you click on adjust, you can just scroll with this plus and minus symbol and adjust this red mark exactly to your location, as I told you. Once it's done, just click on done. So I won't be editing it here, I am just showing you guys. If you have to do the same thing on GBPGM app, it's here guys. Before this opening hours, you can just click this pencil icon. You can set up address. We have given 5 lines directly open, you don't need to edit. And this is a map. This is not this much guys. If you click this square symbol, it opens up in the full screen, and it's very easy and comfortable to set up your map via this app, because in Google it provides you a very small window. Once you have done with this, you can just click on escape, or you can click this button and it's back, and you have to apply. That's all guys. So it's very simple. It's super simple guys. So number we have checked, website we have checked. Now it's opening and closing hours. Here guys, opening and closing hours, again you can edit it here. It's simple. Similarly, in Google Business Profiles own interface, you get this opening and closing hours option if you scroll down below. Now guys, check opening date. Right here opening date, I told you it can be done here just below description. Here also it's below description only. Next is guys, add service area. So in GPGM app you can add the service area just below the hours. Here like I'll show you, you can just type the city name and it will add for you. It will show you, you have to select it. Similarly here also service area is below the location. Now guys, check map location if not correct, that I've already told you. Now the main thing is enable proactive protection to protect profile from competitors. This is only available in GPGM app. So this is in the premium version. This is the option guys. You can see when you scroll down, it's visible here. Here you also get your business profile ID handy. That for that you have to actually explore other menus in Google Business Profile interface. Here you get the location coordinates also handy that you cannot get easily in Google Business Profile interface. So many things are there which are easy and comfortable to be. Now guys, adding service and description, we'll discuss that. In Google's interface, if you want to add service and description, you have to click on edit services. Here guys, you have to edit it in a simple way. You don't get any AI option, but in GPGM app, this is the menu for services. Here guys, you can add services. When you add, you can just click on this symbol and generate the description with AI. It's so simple. You don't need to create content for every service. You just need to mention the service name and you can add the description and save it guys. So it's super simple guys. When it comes to product, you can click this link and it takes you to Google's interface, because here products API is not given by Google, so this is not provided within the app, but we have provided a comfortable option so that you can just click it and reach to your products option. In Google guys, you have to click on edit products option and the same thing opens as from GPGM app. This is the only one difference, single difference, that you don't need to do again and again guys. It's a one time affair. So these were all the things actually provided via GBPGM app, and apart from that, as you can see, auto AI review reply, you can create a GBP site free as well as premium that you cannot create in Google's interface. You can actually do local keyword research. You can find the ranking of your profile on web. You can use category finder to find what category best suits you, your competitors categories you can get to know, and so many other things. You can run Google ads as well guys. You can actually check geo grid checker. You can check the map location on different points for your Google business profile. You can create citations and whatnot guys. You can schedule posts, you can schedule media, you can get lot of insights and reporting that you don't get on Google business profile. And in review, you get lot of things which will help you grow your reviews. Review scanner is one of these things which help you protect your reviews. If any review is deleted, then it informs you that review is removed, so that you can get to know which review is removed and you can file an appeal guys. And that particular thing is really so guys, this was all about optimization. There are lot many things you can do to your Google business profile to rank it and to get more and more business from it. And one of it is doing local SEO, getting local SEO done for your Google business profile. If you don't have time and you can spend, then definitely you should hire some digital marketing agency and get local SEO done, which is very useful guys. We also provide local SEO services on a very affordable charges guys. Other than that, please start using GBPGM app. As we have discussed, it will be really useful for you. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet guys, do this just now guys, because I'll bring so many other videos for you in future also, which will help you grow your Google business profile as well as your business online presence. And guys, don't forget to check local SEO tips on local SEO tools and tips.com website, which will really help you grow your Google business profile and get so many information. So much information there is available in those blog articles, will be really helpful to you guys. So I'll be back with some new video. Till then, start using GPGM app, grow your Google business profile and get lot of sales and calls.